Hello, and welcome to another fabulous episode of Reviewing Stuff. Alright, today we're going to review addition and subtraction using estimation. Alright, so first things first, remember the biggest thing to remember when estimating is estimate before you calculate. So what I mean is we estimate the pieces of the problem before we do any adding and subtracting. Do not estimate your answer, because then you do the hard part, and estimation is supposed to make things easier, right? So remember, let's review some estimation stuff. So let's say that we have numbers like 28, we have a number like 479. I'm just going to try and do some numbers of different amounts of digits. Let's do 3,264. Let's do 71,432. I'm just making up numbers, all right? But what we want to do is we basically want to estimate these pieces, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to try and make these rounder to look at. Remember, basically, we want the ends to like have zeros on them. So 28, is it closer to, is it about 20 or is it about 30? So what is 28 closer to? If you had a number line, of course, remember, if you have a number line, and let's say that on this part of the number line is 30, and this part of the number line is 20, if we put 28 right there, is that closer to 30 or is that closer to 20? As we can see, 28 is closer to 30. So when we estimate, 28 is about 30. All right? If we're using hundreds, same thing, except this time we're trying to make the ends zeros. So is 479 closer to 500 or is it closer to 400? All right? So 479 is past halfway point, past 450. I'd say maybe it's somewhere around there. So where is it closer to? 500. So it's about 500. All right? 3,264. So what we're going to do, I'm going to think, is it closer to 3,000 or is it closer to 4,000? 3,264. If 3,500 is right there in the middle, then 3,264 is probably somewhere around there. So is it closer to 3,000 or 4,000? It's closer to 3,000. So 3,264 is about 3,000. Finally, if we're looking over here, 71,432. All right, what we want to think of is, if we have a number line, 70,000 or 80,000. Right? Because we have 71,000. So is 71,000 closer to 80,000 or 70,000? And you can even cover up the last four digits, or the last three digits. That's a 71. Cover up those last three digits. That's 80. Cover up these last three digits. That's 70. So is 71 closer to 70 or 80? So 71,432 is probably right around there. So is it closer to 70,000 or is it closer to 80,000? It's about 80,000. All right. So if we wanted to add all of these things, of course, we'd need to get our place value straight. 80,000 plus 3,000 plus 500 plus 30. Okay. So I'm going to add all my zeros. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 is 3. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 3 is 3. And I drop my 8. So my estimate is about 83,530. Estimate the pieces, not the answer. Estimate before you calculate.